AI is creating millionaires every single day, but it's also destroying jobs silently. Most people think this will happen in the future, but it's already happening now. The real danger is AI, it's ignoring AI. Jobs like data entry, basic design, and customer support are disappearing fast. Companies don't fire people, automation does. At the same time, AI users are earning more than ever. One person with AI can now do the work of 10. This is why small creators are beating big companies. AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces slow learners. Skills like automation, AI tools, and problem-solving are survival skills now. Degrees are losing value, skills are gaining power. People who adapt early always win. Those who wait get replaced. The income gap between AI users and non-users is exploding. This is the biggest opportunity of our generation. You don't need to be a genius, you need to start. The future is already here, the question is, are you ready?